These new technologies in the construction industry will blow your mind. Stay tuned to find out. The Zurich University of Applied Sciences, together with Holcim and the city of Winterthur, has developed an innovative material called CPC, carbon pre-stressed concrete, which consists of pre-stressed concrete with carbon fibers. This material has revolutionized the production of versatile architectural panels. The first project to use CPC was a multifunctional building in Winterthur. This space includes a debate area, an experimental workshop, and a cafeteria, creating a dynamic and multifaceted environment. CPC panels are 3 times thinner than traditional concrete panels without compromising load-bearing capacity, making them significantly more efficient. CPC panels are also more sustainable. Their production emits 4 times less CO2 and uses 75% less material than traditional concrete. This advancement represents a significant step towards sustainable construction and reduces the industry's environmental impact. The use of CPC in Winterthur is just the beginning of a revolution in architecture and construction. If you like this product, the next one will blow your mind. When it comes to building durable and resilient decks, Newcastle Steel offers an exceptional solution with its steel deck framing. This product features the use of carbon steel protected by an advanced coating process. This process includes 3 layers of hot dip galvanizing applied over a primer and a special baked polyester coating, making it ideal for outdoor applications and one of the best options available on the market. Newcastle Steel ensures that its steel framing is a better alternative to wood decking due to its composition and significantly lower environmental impact. The steel structure contains 25% recycled content and is fully recyclable, underscoring the company's commitment to sustainability and waste reduction. Technology advances, and this is just a glimpse. The next invention is just as good or better, as you'll see. At the recent iFit World Fair, Reho presented an almost definitive solution for waste management, Connect Flex, created by Reho. This innovative pipe coupling system has immense potential, enabling pipe connections in less than 10 minutes thanks to its advanced internal material. Connect Flex is compatible with a variety of materials, including cast iron, fiberglass, and concrete, and can accommodate pipes with diameters greater than 455 millimeters. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for infrastructure projects and waste management. Reho's website offers a calculator to help customers select the ideal option for their specific needs. In addition to its ease of use and versatility, Connect Flex is extremely reliable, with an estimated lifespan of up to 100 years. So when it comes to quality, performance, and effectiveness, Connect Flex is an engineering gem that shouldn't be overlooked. In the world of technology and innovation, progress never stops, and creating displays or completing any project can be made easier and more effective with Fixed Square GT. This mounting adhesive is not only water resistant, but also cures 8 times faster than other products on the market. You can tackle bolder projects and tricks in as little as 30 minutes. Fixed Square GT cures and hardens quickly, so you can get on with your projects in just 30 minutes. It's designed to completely eliminate vibration for solid, reliable adhesion. It is resistant to adverse weather conditions and certain chemicals, ensuring durability and reliability. It's compatible with a wide range of materials, including glass, brick, stone, and MDF, providing versatile solutions for any project. It also offers a 10-minute window for adjustments, ensuring precise and accurate work. It supports up to 400 kilograms per 10 squared centimeters, giving you confidence that your projects will be securely fastened. For just $11, you can get a 290 milliliter tube of Fixed Square GT, the perfect solution for your mounting and bonding needs. Don't miss your chance to take your projects to the next level with this innovative adhesive. Trust Fixed Square GT and feel the difference in every application. And that's just a small step for everything we'll see. So get ready to experience emotions you never knew you had with the following tools. Holcim Geostone is transforming the Australian market with its innovative decorative concrete. Unlike traditional opaque gray, this product uses colored gravel to provide an aesthetically pleasing and vibrant alternative. Australia, known for its robust mining industry and exports to over 100 countries, is well positioned to capitalize on these advances. Geostone concrete is ideal for use in garages and pool areas, providing a cool and comfortable surface during Australia's warm summers. Its natural stone composition provides not only slip resistance, but also exceptional durability, with subtle variations between batches, ensuring a bespoke project for each installation. Holcim Geostone's ability to integrate functionality with aesthetics is remarkable remarkable, allowing designers and homeowners to create unique and visually pleasing outdoor spaces. With this product, Wholesome is not only raising the bar in terms of quality and design, but also providing solutions that enhance daily life and enjoyment of the built environment in Australia. And we're just getting started, because the next tool is stunning on a whole different level. Argentina's River Plate Stadium, the largest in South America with a capacity of 86,000, hosts world-renowned soccer matches, as well as concerts by legends such as AC/DC, Metallica, and Lady Gaga. Home to passionate fans and vibrant dancers, this multifaceted venue faces the challenge of keeping its turf in optimal condition under heavy use. To meet this challenge, the River Plate Stadium chose Vasari's innovative modular surface, designed to withstand up to 41 tons per square meter, and available in sizes such as 1.2 by 2.4 meters, these modular tiles are ideal for protecting large public areas in sports stadiums, cultural events, and large social gatherings. The choice of Vasari not only preserves the natural turf of the River Plate Stadium, but also ensures the safety and comfort of visitors. With this innovative solution, the stadium continues to be an icon of sports and entertainment, providing a world-class environment for high-profile sporting and musical events. But if that was fascinating and a marvel of engineering, the next one will amaze you just as much or more. Timber HP has developed Timber Fill, a blown wood fiber insulation. This material is an effective and sustainable insulation solution that addresses safety and durability concerns. An outstanding feature of Timber Fill is its fire resistance. Although it's made of wood, it can withstand an open flame for up to 2 hours thanks to a borate treatment. This substance also makes Timber Fill insect and mildew resistant, ensuring durability and a healthy environment. Timber Fill is sustainably manufactured from wood waste, reducing waste and making efficient use of resources. Its carbon footprint is negative as the material absorbs and stores CO2 over its lifetime, helping to mitigate climate change. In addition, Timber Fill has exceptional acoustical performance, the best in the industry, making it ideal for projects requiring high levels of sound insulation and improving occupant comfort and quality of life. What if I told you this was just the beginning? The next invention takes the construction world to a level you won't believe. Now we move to Switzerland, where Holcim's cement plant is not only producing concrete, but also conducting a dazzling experiment. They're testing a number of cutting-edge technologies known as Industry 4.0. The idea is to create an exact 3D replica of the factory, aided by intelligent algorithms. Operators can observe the workflow like in a video game, and also make predictions for equipment maintenance and potential downtime. Holcim believes that Industry 4.0 will be a game changer for the entire industry, enabling more informed and precise management decisions using the vast amount of data generated, saving time and money. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. We know that renovating old buildings can be complicated, especially with slabs that cannot support heavy loads. When a dry bed can't be used, RX has the solution. Their product, Strong Light. At just 18 millimeters high and 27 kilograms per square meter, it's ideal for wooden slabs or uneven surfaces with wires and cables. Strong Light consists of 3 elements: filler, leveler, and reinforcing fabric. Once installed, tiles can be laid in 36 hours and walls in 4.5 days. In addition, Strong Light is compatible with heated floors. I thought that was amazing. Wait until you see what's next. We're about to push the boundaries of what's possible. The Quick Deck system is a versatile solution for various construction projects, such as bridge repairs, power plant renovations, and airport reconstructions. It's a suspended scaffold that can be customized to meet the specific needs of each project. Its creators claim that its size and shape depend on the client, allowing for large structures. Blocks up to 3,000 square meters can be easily moved and rearranged like a game of Lego without compromising reliability. Each square meter can support up to 300 kilograms, making it strong and reliable for complex projects. For example, it was used to dismantle the Shell Elman Bravo platform, safely removing over 380 tons of steel. And we're just getting started, because what's next? Can it even be considered real? Did you know that one city had 247 consecutive days of rain? Yes, it was one of the rarest events ever recorded, occurring on the Hawaiian island of Kauai. With rainfall between August 1993 and April 1994, this extremely rare phenomenon could become more common due to global warming. Improving drainage systems could be critical to preventing flooding and water damage. Aeromax offers this Stealth Flow series, which is easy to install and compatible with standard drains of various diameters. Its low-profile design allows for gravel or mulch cover, eliminating the need to dig trenches. It's a modular liner system that is tar and glue free, non-combustible Group A1, and installs up to 5 times faster than similar products. It can be handled by a single person with no height or weather restrictions. Manufactured under strict quality control, it requires no cutting or modifications on site and has a lifespan of over 60 years thanks to its stainless steel base. If you're hungry for more, subscribe and watch the rest of our videos. Activate the bell to stay tuned for upcoming inventions.